discuss about the computer chapter 2, and this is the last class for chapter 2. Today we are going to finish this chapter. In the last class, by the components of control panel we are discussing, right? So this is the last component, that is programs. There you find in the control panel. So in the programs there are programs and its features. You can see another is default programs. These are default programs. I will explain one by one. And another is their desktop gadgets. Okay, desktop gadgets. Now what is program and its feature? From the program and its features, it helps you to uninstall the programs. What is uninstall? Suppose you have installed an application, software, whatever. Okay, so when you don't want software to be inside your computer, then go to the control panel. Then you will click on program and its features, and there will be options install and uninstall. Okay, install and uninstall. And what it also helps you the turning off of computers, or turning off or turning on for any features, and viewing the updates when you did last updates, and installing a program and running the program meant for the previous version of Windows. Okay, this is all about the programs and its features. Now come to default program. Default program means what? Actually, some programs are already there with the Windows operating system, right? Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10. We are using now Windows 10. Some also uses Windows 11 or whatever. So there you can find it helps the changing the default settings of the programs, settings of medias, any devices, setting the default programs, and making the file type in which making the file type which is always open in the specific program. Okay, which is always open in the specific program. So that is all about default program. Now we will know what are desktop gadgets. There are many desktop gadgets, right? Gadget means what? Gadget means some displaying softwares work on itself with the desktop, or on the surface of desktop we will find to see, right? That is called desktop gadgets. Suppose your clocks, bubbles, okay, some bubbles or any moving wallpapers, etc. That come under the gadgets. And some gadgets are also there that only work when internet is connected to your devices or to your computer, right? That is also called desktop gadgets. So these gadgets allows you to add the gadgets to the desktop, getting more gadgets online, or uninstalling the gadgets, or restore the desktop gadgets installed with Windows. Okay, this is all about the programs. So this was the last component of the control panel we discussed. Next we will go to how to changing the view style of the file and folder. How to change the view style of file and folder. How to change? We will go to what? First one, click on the start button. First, click on the start button. Then there click on computers Then a windows will appear there. Windows will appear, and click on the down arrow present on the right side. Okay, windows will be appearing there, so you click on the down arrow. Windows appears. Step 3, windows appears. Okay, and you choose the down arrow. Next, step number 4, it will display different type of views. Okay, displays different type of views. Okay, then you may choose. There may be extra large icons, medium icons, or list of icons, very small. Okay, or icon with details. Detail means what? That titles, content, how much GB or file size is what, how much GB in what MB it is there. Okay, so you may choose whatever, large or medium one or small one or list, right? So then in step 5, that is what, select the desired view style, and selected view style will be applied to your files and folders. Okay, so that is how we changing the view style of files and folder in the Windows 7 or any Windows. Okay, and these are the basic steps to change the view style of files and folder. Now we saved already the files. We also changed the style of viewing files, right? Now we will come how to search the file and folder. It is already they are saved inside the computer. How we will search in Windows 7? Okay, search option helps you to customizing the search result. Here also same thing. First you click on the start button, then there will be search programs viewing like this. Searching box or search files and programs box there will be. Okay, files and programs, here will be written files or folders or programs, whatever. So the file you need to open or you want to search, here you need to type the name of the files and folder. Okay, then what? Then as you type the text, whatever, suppose I type here my name Surai dot pptx. Okay, that is a PowerPoint presentation. Then I click on the search. Step 3, there will be a search button. Then if file will be there, it will be displayed. If no file will be there, then searching not, it may say searching is not, or the file and folder is not found. Okay, so this is all about the, you must see the more options also. More options will be there, you may also click on that. So this is all about the Windows 7, the second chapter, and which we completed today. So next will be your duty is go to exercise, fill in the blanks. Before I send the question answer, okay? Then by tomorrow I am trying to send the question answer through WhatsApp group, and you may then check it or correction it. Okay? So thank you. Have a good day.